Hey, it's the AG Sisters, and today we're making spring doll crafts. Our first craft is a bug jar. The things you will need will be a small plastic jar, a toothpick or wooden skewer, small red beads to act as your ladybug, or any other type of bead that you think will work, a pair of scissors, fake grass or any other green type of object that can resemble grass, a Sharpie, and a hot glue gun. The first step is to trim your grass. So I'm going to take this fake grass and just trim off a couple small pieces to put inside of my jar. Your next step is to take your permanent marker and draw small dots on your red bead to look like a ladybug. This is optional, but I think it gives it a nice touch. Your next step is to take your wooden skewer or toothpick and cut off a piece to look like a little stick inside of your bug jar. Your last step is to assemble your bug jar. So take all the things that we've prepared, like your stick and your grass and your ladybug, and I'm going to glue my ladybug to my stick so it looks like it's climbing up the stick. I'm doing a little bit of hot glue and gluing my bead to my little stick. I'm just going to set it inside of my jar. Once you've set it inside your jar, you're going to take some grass and put it in there. And once you've done that, you've got a cute little bug jar.
Our next craft is tissue paper flowers. You will need scissors, green pipe cleaners, and assorted colors of tissue paper. Your first step is you're going to cut your colored tissue paper into little squares. Then I'm going to trim my paper down to size. Then fold it in half and cut a little slit down the center, just like so. Stick the pipe cleaner through the little hole in the center and fold one edge over to create a little stopper, like so. Then take your tissue paper and crumple it around the pipe cleaner to create wrinkled petals. Next, cut your pipe cleaner down to size. And there you have it, one tissue paper flower. Repeat until you have as many as you'd like. We're going to make a little flower bouquet. You will need fabric, tissue paper flowers, ribbon, and a pair of scissors. First, cut a square out of your fabric. Next, take your fabric and fold over the top corner. Place your flowers on top of the corner, like so, and fold the bottom corner up. Then take one side and wrap it around, and follow by wrapping the other side. Wrap tightly, like so, and seal with a ribbon.
Now we're going to be making a flower vase. You're going to need your bouquet, a plastic egg, a hot glue gun, and a pre-tied bow. First, you're going to break your plastic egg in half and glue both ends together with your hot glue gun. Then you're going to take your pre-tied bow and glue it to the front using your glue gun. To finish it off, place your flowers in the vase, and you're all done.